The different smells weird too. Whoa! Oh, boys. Hello. Looks like I quit the wrong day to quit sniffing glue. It's Ratchy here from Fixing Things with Strings. Another safety tip. I was using a little razor blade, and now that I'm done with it, and I don't hold these things on. They're cheap. I got a bunch of them. Don't put it back in now. Maybe I'll use it later. Use it later. We'll just throw it away and go right for the sharp one the next time. Why make it hard on yourself? You know what I'm saying? But don't just throw this away either. We're gonna go back to our trusty little friend, the electrical tape, and we're gonna wrap this thing up so it doesn't cut anybody when you throw it in the trash. So, story time. Going back to my utes. We had something in the house. A bunch of glass was broken, and we were throwing it in the trash bags, whatever, get it all out. And I walked past it and hit a piece of glass and just slit my knee right open. Still got the scar. It's probably in my older singles, younger teens, I'm not sure, 12, 10, I don't know. So yeah, that's a bad idea. So ever since then, I guess, awareness is good, because now anything like that just, I'm hypersensitive to that, because it left an impression, a lasting impression. So here we go, wrapped in, still feel a little sharp there. But yeah, you don't want to just throw these in there naked. Somebody walk by, pick it up, and get sliced open. And besides, the electrical tape company enjoys the crap out of this kind of stuff. I'm sure there's a better way of doing it too, but whatever. I got electrical tape coming out my butt. Literally, no, I'm just kidding. Anyway, there it is, completely beep wrapped up, and the trash it goes. Here, while we're looking, there's that Music Man Axis working on. There's a little divot in the fingerboard that I've been filling. It took a couple days to get that thing filled. I got it. Let's see, you want to take a look? Oh, you can even see it. It's right there. Anywho, I've been filling it with glue, CA glue, and some sawdust. It kind of shows up there, but I got to restain the neck, get some maybe some True Oil. I don't know. We got to see, kind of match the finish on the board. But other than that, I already kind of buffed the frets while I was sitting here waiting for it to dry. But it doesn't take too long because I use NCF Quick, the accelerator. Makes a difference. Smells weird too. Whoa! Oh, boys. Hello. Looks like I quit the wrong day to quit sniffing glue. Anyway, that's all I got. Just a little razor blade tip so you don't slice up people in your families, or the garbage man, or the poor guy that's digging through your trash to find your tax documents. Anyway. All right. See you next time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, tell your friends, buy some merch. Link down below. See ya.